In recent years, artificial intelligence AI has become one of the most talked about topics in the news. From ChatGPT and self-driving cars to AI-generated art and digital assistants. Technology is changing the way we live, work, and learn to rise AI transformation, industries, economics, and even the way people think about creativity and job. AI refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that unusually require human intelligence, such as understanding languages, recognizing images, making decisions, and solving problems. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI have advantages, allowing computers to process information faster and more accurately than ever before. As a result, AI is now used in hospitals for diagnosing diseases, in banks for detecting fraud, and in education for personalized learning. However, this technological process also brings important questions and challenges. Many experts worry that AI could replace millions of jobs in the future. Routine work in factories, offices, and even journalism is being automated. This means students need to prepare themselves for a future where critical thinking, creativity, and digital skills will be more valuable than traditional tasks. So there are also ethical concerns. People are debating how to make sure AI systems are fair, unbiased, and safe. If machines make important decisions like who gets a loan or a job, how do we ensure those decisions are just? Governments around the world are working on laws to control AI development responsibility. Despite the challenges, AI also offers incredible opportunities. It can help solve global problems like climate change, poverty, and healthcare shortages. Students today are growing up in a time when AI knowledge can lead to existing career in technology, research, and innovation. So, in conclusion, artificial intelligence is shaping the future of the world faster than we accepted. It's not just a topic for scientists, it's something every student should understand.